Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah Malka, and in this video I will help you solve the most common issues with your hummus, taking your hummus from blah to wow, and give you tips and tricks on how to make hummus with this quick and easy recipe for your homemade hummus to be silky and tasty. All this in less than 5 minutes with no soaking and no cooking involved. Don't forget to stay until the end of the video where I share with you 2 variations of this classic hummus recipe to jazz up your hummus. And if you like this kind of content all about simplifying the Jewish life, please consider subscribing. So let's jump into it. Drain the canned chickpeas and rinse them underwater to remove the aquafaba. Put your chickpeas in a large bowl and add enough water to cover the chickpeas. Rub the chickpeas between your hands gently, and little by little you will see that the peels of the chickpeas will be floating at the surface of the water. Remove them and continue the process until no more peels come up at the surface of the water. This will take about 1 to 2 minutes. And for a regular can of chickpeas, it should yield about a cup of peels that you can put in your compost bin, and it is like superpower for your plants. Now that your chickpeas are peeled, quickly verify your chickpeas to make sure that they do not contain insects. And yes, it is a common finding in canned and dried chickpeas. This process will take you less than a minute, and if you don't mind eating bugs, please skip this part. Look at the time on the card above to indicate you where to go. Put some peeled chickpeas in your hands and look at the chickpeas. You're looking for black dots. If you don't see black dots, flip your hands and look at the other side of the chickpeas. If you find black dots, look closely, as this could be insect. This insect would look like this in chickpeas. Now that your chickpeas are verified and are bug-free, put the chickpeas in the food processor and add pressed garlic, lemon juice, tahini, salt, and olive oil, and then mix on low to medium speed for about 1 to 2 minutes. If you look at your hummus after 1 to 2 minutes, it should have reached the porridge consistency. But now the magic will happen. Add ice cubes, one at a time. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds between the ice cubes to make sure it is completely incorporated. At the halfway mark, after about 2 to 3 ice cubes, adjust the taste, salt, and oil to your preference. Then continue the process until you reach the desired consistency. Then plate. And there you have it. You now know how to make hummus with this quick and simple recipe that needed no cooking, no soaking to have this pure, silky, creamy, healthy hummus in 10 minutes. For the 2 variations on this classic hummus recipe, the first way will be to add roasted peppers and continue to blend until smooth. Then you can plate it with sliced peppers, chickpeas, and olive oil with paprika or zaatar. The second way will be to add a 1/4 cup of cooked cube beets and mix them until smooth. Plate it with a few extra cubes of beets and olive oil with parsley or cilantro and some seeds as garnish. I hope that this video was helpful for you, that it gave you new ideas on how to create amazing, healthy, easy, homemade hummus. And if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We do upload new content every week. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to from it up.
Cooper, you hear about the coronavirus? Put your mask on.
Because of coronavirus, you are going to be quarantined, but you have a choice. Do you A, quarantine with your wife and child, or B,